Hello all, this is S.Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the subject on database management systems. Under the topics are views, triggers, joins, constraints and stored procedure. So in previous videos we have discussed about what is views, triggers, joins, constraints. So this we are already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the stored procedure. Okay. So here we can know about how we have to create a views, on how we have to create a trigger with the help of syntax. Then next we are identify what are the different types of joins and constraints of DBMS and the types, then key constraints. So these we are already discussed. So now we are going to discuss about the stored procedure. So this is nothing but it is prepared SQL code that you can save. So in future if you want to use the same data, we can use it over again and again. So that purpose we are using the stored procedure. So this is a user defined value we can create called as an S1 or S2, like this you can create the stored procedure. The next, so if you have an SQL query that you write overall over and over again, save it as a stored procedure and then just call it to execute it. And then you can also pass parameters to a stored procedure. This also applicable. We can pass the parameters over to the stored procedure so that the stored procedure can act based on the parameter value that is passed. So what kind of value we are passed over to the parameter, so based on that the stored procedure will be executed. So here we are representing how we have to write a syntax for stored procedure. So first one, create procedure, then procedure name as SQL statement, then go semicolon. So this is the syntax for writing a stored procedure. And then next one, how we have to execute a stored procedure. So with the help of ex command, ex easy, so that is execute is a command and we have to update the procedure name semicolon. So the stored procedure example is represented here. The following statement create a stored procedure named as an select all customers from the customer table. So that selects all records from the customer table. For example, create procedure. So this is a stored procedure name. It is a user defined one. Then select all customers as select star from customer. So here customer is a table name. Then go semicolon. Execute the stored procedure above as follows. Example, execute select all customers semicolon. So this is the best example for representing the stored procedure. The next one, stored procedure with one parameter. So how we can pass the parameters means here they are representing one example. The following SQL commands create a stored procedure that selects customers from a particular city from a customer table. For example, we are going to create one stored procedure called procedure name, then create procedure, select all customers at city in varchar, which means numerical varchar. The length should be present in within the 30 as select star from customers. Customer is a table name where city which is equal to at city. So city is the entity column name. Then go semicolon. So here execute the stored procedure above as follows. So example, execute select all customers at city which is equal to, within the quotes we have to provide the city name called London and semicolon. So here the city name is London, so that related records will be displayed over to the console window. The next stored procedure with multiple parameters. So he can pass a number of parameters. So in previous video we are just representing city alone. So here we are representing the postal code also. So in this here I am presenting create procedure, select all customers at city name char the length of 30, then postal code the number varchar from the length is 10 as select star from customer where city equal to at city and postal code. The reason is here we are processing the two postal parameters, so that's why we can use call city as well as the postal code, which is equal to at the representing the value, then go semicolon. So here execute the store procedure for the above details. Example is execute select all customers at city, which is equal to London, comma at postal code, which is equal to the within the double quotes they are providing WA11DP. So this is the one of the example for the store procedure. Thank you.